Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how you can actually go and withdraw money from PayPal to Venmo. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the PayPal app. Or alternatively, as I did, you can go to the web and type paypal.com. After that, you just need to log into your profile or register to PayPal if you haven't already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. We have the home, send, wallet, activity and help options. We have the send and request and other different options here. Of course, now let's see how you can actually go and withdraw money from PayPal to Venmo. So firstly, connect your bank account, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the wallet section, which is the section which is guys here. As you can see, the wallet section is the third option here. Then select the option to transfer funds or withdraw money. When you connect to your card, of course, choose the linked bank account from which you wish to transfer funds, and then enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. Once the funds are available in your bank account, proceed to the next step, which is log into your Venmo app. So you have to create an account there. Click on Me tab. Next to your displayed Venmo balance, select Manage, choose Add Money, enter the amount you want to transfer and select the linked bank account, and review the transfer details and confirm. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.